welcome again to my channel. And in this video, this squid that we caught the other day, we will cook it now. So what we're going to do with this big massive squid is we are going to make it a stuffed squid. So the ingredients for this one is guys, tomato, some onions, garlic, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this squid first and remove all the guts, clean that, remove the teeth, remove the eyes, and then we're going to mix every ingredient in this single bowl, and then we're going to put it inside that squid, and I am going to put it in a Barbie for that delicious taste from the Barbie. So yeah, we're going to clean this one first and I'll show you how to stuff this one later on. Okay, so we finished the cleaning of the squid. So as you can see here, it's already been cleaned. I removed the wings and of course the tentacles. I already removed the eyeballs and the teeth from the inside of that one and the hard part, so we can eat that one and include it in the Barbie. Okay, so what we need to do now is to mix all the ingredients: tomato, the onion, and the garlic, together with the soy sauce, with the pepper, and with the salt. Okay, so we will mix them all together. Garlic there, and then the onions. Okay. Awesome. And the tomato. Let's move it away. Okay, and the soy sauce. There. Now, need to stir that like that. Stir that. Oop. Stir that. And add some pepper and salt a little bit. Okay. Oh, this will be tasty once it gets cooked. And then what we need to do now is to put that inside the squid. Oh, I think my ingredients is not enough because this squid is so big. Oh my god, it's so big. Yeah, you can see it's all in there. Oh, I think this is going to be full now. I think the ingredient that we just prepared is exactly enough to fill the whole thing, you know. So, ooh. Okay, so I think that's full. So now what we need to do is to put a knife there like that, so not all the way, maybe halfway, so that it can the heat can penetrate the inside of the stuffings, like that, like that, like that, like that, and I think one more there. Oh wow. Alright, so this is ready. This is ready to go to the barbecue. We will go there and cook it. So bear with me, stay there, and we will cook this one. See you later. Alright guys, so now we are still waiting. So we preheated barbecue to around 180 degrees, and then once it's already hot, that's the time for you to put the squid on. So what I did is I did include the flaps and the tentacles. The head I cut it into two pieces because it's a bit big. So, and then this is the main body of the squid. So in a few minutes we will just flip it around, and then it will be okay to serve. Alright, so tapos na ang ating barbecue. It's been like less than 10 minutes na we prepared this for, we waited for this to be cooked in the barbecue for just 10 minutes. So that's the come up now. It looks delicious, and I'm sure that the stuffings are already cooked on the inside as well. So right now I have a soy sauce here with a bit of a lemon. And now we are going to taste it. So we will grab a piece. Oh, it smells good. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. So I'm happy with the result that I did. So if you guys haven't tried this one, please do try and follow the things that I just did, and you will surely love it. Once you caught the squid, this is the best thing that you'll ever do with the squid, besides the calamari, of course, and besides the fry with the breading, that's delicious as well. But this one, I reckon, it's better. So thanks for watching. Again, guys, have a try of this, have a crack at this one. Once you catch the squid next time, please do this one. You will like it. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you haven't clicked that bell, please do click that bell for my next video to come. Alright, thanks very much and stay safe. Again, fish on.